With the Indian electrical sector growing by 14% last year, the future is looking bright indeed. Despite the competition from Asian majors such as China and South Korea, the Indian electrical story is well and truly on the rise. And with only 1% contribution to the global market currently, there exists a significant export potential for the domestic industry as well.
So when you really look at the overall picture, we lose out, particularly the SME sector loses out when they really want to export, because the kind of support which Chinese or a South Korean government gives to their industry is cannot be given by India. I think that's the challenge. But one good thing is that the Indian exporters are really getting a lot of reputation now in terms of consistency of quality, in terms of the good quality supplies, in terms of the proper supplies and understanding the language correctly, understanding the specifications correctly. And slowly but surely, actually we are gaining grounds over a period.
Starting from scratch is a hurdle every entrepreneur has to overcome in the beginning. But for Pune-based Hemant Rohera, he has done that twice already in his young entrepreneurial journey. After quitting his first company due to trust issues with fellow directors, the young engineer decided to go solo and started his own company, Rohera Industries, in 2011.
My background is electronics. I was doing my engineering in power electronics from Bharati Vidyapith, Pune. I was pretty passionate about power industry. I started with UPS, that's uninterrupted power supply. I was initially a trader. I got into manufacturing in the year 1999. 1997 when I started my business. Initially I was just a trader for 2 years. And till now I was a manufacturer with another company. I was a partner there, where I separated from the company 6 months back. I thought of starting my own company. And now I'm here.
Rohera Industries' flagship brand Helios is raking in the moolah with its robust line of batteries and inverters. With a turnover of almost 30 crore rupees projected for the current year, Rohera Industries has very quickly found its feet in the ultra-competitive batteries and inverters segment. Using state-of-the-art technologies such as sine wave, DSP and conversion, Rohera Industries is well positioned to take advantage of the ever-worsening power situation in the country.
First thing, we're not cheating on the quality, we're giving the true quality what we commit. Where there are various products we deal with. We have batteries, we have inverters, we have power savers. Now batteries, if you ask me, local players or good names also not to be taken, when they quote a particular AH, they don't give. They cheat on the AH, they cheat on the quality to cut down on the price. We are giving a better quality at a 35 to 40% lower price than major brands. That's one. Price is major USP. Quality is the second major USP we'll talk about. And if you talk about inverters and power savers, we have our own designs, our own softwares where it controls us for the quality and the performance.
The need for a highly efficient after-sales service in a sector like inverters and batteries is not lost on Rohera's management. By having more than 50 experienced engineers providing technical service support to its customers, the company is on the right path of customer satisfaction, something that it holds very dear to its heart.
It's not just a product available in the market. We've really put our hearts out. We're working hard on the quality and the performance. And apart of working hard on the quality and the performance, we're offering a good price. So what I wanna say my consumers is that after we being best in the price, the quality is not being compromised.
For Hemant Rohera, the passion to innovate constantly comes naturally. With over 15 years of experience in the industry, Hemant is now on his way to do something different. By introducing original new products like power savers and battery life enhancers, Hemant is trying to move up the value chain and distinguish his company from all the other run-of-the-mill battery manufacturers that dot the Indian electrical landscape.